What's up, it's Sierra LaFay. Welcome to my channel. This is going to be another quick video. Wanted to clarify something for you guys because I told you all in a few videos ago that I would be doing something and I have not been doing it, and I didn't realize it too recently, and I feel like I've lied to y'all and I feel really bad, but just wanted to get some clarity just in case you were wondering, like, Sierra, you said you're going to do this and you're not doing it. But just wanted to explain my reasoning a little bit, and hopefully you guys will forgive me for saying that I was going to do something that I have not been doing. Pero bueno, nada más a decir, pero vamos a empezar. So earlier this year I did mention that I was going to be growing my hair out with no protective styles, and that was my intention because modeling needs my hair to remain flexible. However, as I continued to progress throughout the year and I just kept seeing my hair getting shorter and shorter, I thought about y'all's advice that you all gave me on a particular video where I was showing you how my hair on one side was up to here and how my hair was down to here on the other side, and y'all went in on me. Y'all was like, don't let people in your hair who don't know what they're doing, etc., etc., which to an extent you can't control who does your hair on these sets. Like, I could not go on set with Ulta Beauty with extensions in my hair. They wanted my natural hair, and I couldn't go to the set of Adidas and tell them this is how I want you to do my hair, or don't touch my hair, because I've already taken care of it. A part of being a model is you have to be a blank canvas almost for the client to do what they want to do. So because modeling has become my full-time job, I was trying to remain as flexible as I possibly could to help me try to book the most that I possibly could. And in that, my hair was suffering greatly. So after the Ulta shoot, which was one of the best experiences I've ever had with my natural hair, I learned that my hair was high porosity, and the hairstylist who did my hair also had high porosity hair, and she said even our hair texture was so similar. So she gave me so much advice about how to properly grow and take care of my hair. And I also did my own research on high porosity hair, and when I found that leaving it alone makes such a huge difference, and started looking back at some of my past videos, and when I saw that I had my hair in sew-ins for an extended amount of time, how much length my hair would be able to retain and how much it protected my hair during these shoots. So that's why I made the decision to just go ahead and start getting the protective styles back into my hair. And also just listening to you guys, I can't let any and everybody play with my hair, especially people who are not qualified, because to be honest, a lot of people on set are makeup artists, but they are asked to do the model's hair as well, and they don't have that much experience with not only just doing hair but doing African American hair. So I appreciate you guys for reminding me to make sure that I'm taking better care of my hair on set, and for me that is simply doing a sew-in. I just wanted to clarify that for y'all because I know some people may have been looking forward to see how I was going to actually grow and maintain my length with not doing protective styles, and I kind of switched up on y'all without even realizing it. So again, I apologize, but I hope you all understand. I will be taking out this sew-in next week. That is the plan, and we're going to get an update of how my hair underneath has been. I've been taking all my vitamins, I've been juicing, so I'm excited to see where I am at currently, and then to be honest, I'm probably gonna put it right back into a protective style. But hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you've been working on your hair journey, I would love to hear in the comments where you are currently. If you're trying to maximize your length, are you trying to improve the health of your hair, are you trying to transition into heat trained hair, or trying to transition out of heat trained hair? Make sure to leave them in the comments below, and until the next video, ciao.